Let's pick up where we left off on fucking Slime Rancher. I kidnapped some rock ones. Let's set these up in a cage. Put the rock little... Right, come on little rock buddies, get in there, you've been abducted. Do not expect any type of freedom. I'm going to read you your rights. You have a right to be fed once a day. Your poo will be collected and sold. And you never ever will be escaped, and you will not be paid. You're all smiling, you look like you're okay with it. You're alright? What do you eat? You eat veggies, mate. Don't you worry. Get you nice and fed. Let's check on my water buddies. Oh, fresh poo. Give me that. Yeah. Don't mind me, mate. Oh, your pond looks deluxe, mate. Can I upgrade your pond? No, I cannot. So I'll give like a little water splash. How much is this worth? $50? My god. Oh, I've deflated the value of the honey poos. How my chicken's doing? I told you to stop saying your racial slurs, mate. Mate, stop. Mate, say sorry. Yeah, don't mind him. He's an extremist. Yeah, you guys are fired. Honestly, you're only worth $7. So the firing process is very brutal. Right, okay. The firing process is not. I just said it was brutal because the other slimes were listening. So I need to make them think if they, if they get fired, they suffer. Because then they work hard. So if they think, getting fired means getting set free, then they're going to start slacking on the poo production. Oh, mate, all your friends are dead. Honestly, now it's your guys' turn. Yep, I know. You don't want to die. I know you don't want to die. Right, all of you are free. Don't come back on my property. Never come back. Understand? They're very violent creatures, the rock ones. What slimes do? Oh, maybe we upgrade this. Makes crop soils yield. I think we go. Let's get this. Let's go to sleep because it's getting late. Oh no, it's not getting late. It's only 5. Yeah, let's go get the other slimes that we want, and then we'll go to sleep. The slimes are smarter than people think they are. Oh jeez, hello. Oh, you're so happy. Put you down. What is the point of the favourite food system? They pop out double the plots, right? Yeah, he pooed twice. These guys love mint mangoes. Let me go cancel this harvest. No more blushing, guys. No more getting freaky in the puddle port pond. And now I'm gonna go to sleep. Let my harvest grow. Look at them, bro. They love this shit. They are feasting in there. Oh my god, there's so much fucking Jesus. I need to just tone down the swearing a bit. Oh no, they're escaping. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, just get in here. Get in here. Get in the vac pod. You fucking. Get in the pod. I didn't expect it to be this violent. I thought things would be peaceful, but nope. They're aggressive as... How did you get out? Right, now we need to go put high walls on this cage as well. How did you... Oh no, man, they're all getting out. Shit. Bee! Bee! I don't think they can jump as high as these ones, because these ones can, like... I can't afford that either. Shit. Yeah, should be alright. All will work out. Oh, 60? Give it air net now. And now we need to focus on getting our money up. I don't want to leave to go on an expedition and come back and everyone's turned into evil people. Bunka, bunka, bunka. I got back from my expedition. I put some more boom slimes and honey slimes in there. I got some plorts on my journey as well. I need to find the next key. Where I can start my next journey. That's what happens when you give them their favourite fruit, by the way. It goes everywhere. Oh, I guess the upgrades are coming in hot. See, now we're starting to make decent money from these slimes. Oh well. And we finished collecting the money. There was a lot of it, so it was worth it. Let's go unlock a new region. What's over here? What's this? Don't know. There's a lot of chickens over here, so I guess we can go feed the big fat dude. Why is there slimes in here? Weird. 17 hens. No! He tried to kill himself. He knew that I had exactly 17. So he tried to end himself. So I didn't get the pleasure of popping this big ass cat. Well, never mind. Okay. Oh, for flipple flop, man. Just take me back. Poor guys. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Let's go feed that pink slime we saw, the weird pink slime. Yeah, buddy, shut up. I'd like another farm there. I'm going to move the hens into the hen area. waste of a mango, mate. Lucky I'm not hitting you right now. Mate, you're big enough, mate. Come on, stop with the... Yeah. Oh, okay, let's go. Nothing I care about. Give me the key. Give me a... if possible, please acquire the following for a future study. My thanks. What does he have for me? You want my puddle slimes? Really well. You can have one of my puddle slimes. Alright, come on, round up, round up. You're going on a vacation. Come on, round up. No, no, no. Shit, I need one more. I'm sorry, that probably hurt. This looks like it hurts. Can I just sell this real quick? Why did I do all that instead of just... I'm trying to go find a singular rock slime. They're gonna actually catch me. Oh, we're unlocking a new area. What awaits us beyond the door? Is it just more boom slime and rock slimes? Oh, damn, the tower stack. Ah, tower fell. What's in here? Oh. He's very happy. Why are all the slimes so happy? Is there a lore reason all the slimes are happy? What's this? Okay. I'm missing a slime. No, I like water slimes. You can stay free, buddy. When I parted with one of my 4 water slimes, it was like sort of an emotional experience. It'd be cheap if I replaced him immediately. Ah. Right, do you like these? How much do you like these? 1. They look very weird. They're not your favourite or anything, but you do like them. Buddy. Say bye-bye. No, you're not biting me. Yeah, I don't want rad slimes. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like I'm going to regret this very quick. Thank you. Very generous. I'm working on a new recipe. Help me out. Oh, sure. Good thing. I'll try my best, bro. Try my best. Predator sprinkler and nutrient soil. I don't think we need a scare slime. I don't think anyone's getting scared. I mean, I don't think there's anything stealing our food right now. Maybe once the tar slime starts showing up and eradicating my entire species. Until then, I think we're good. Power Core Mark 2. You don't need the water thing yet. Let's get this, because the things can be really annoying. now our money's up as well. You know what? I think I'm gonna end episode 2 here. Goodbye.